Balboa Park, a massive, multi-purpose, public area in San Diego. You must go, but where should you begin?
Alright wanderers, we are still here in San Diego and we are at Balboa Park.
I recommend starting by coming in from the west side. This will allow you to enter and see some really interesting trees and a dog park along the way, because who doesn't like doggos?
What you want, boy?
This is unreal.
Are you like a ninja or something?
I'm willing to bet they've been fed.
He said, hell yeah.
Now, make your way east, heading deeper into the park, and you will cross the Cabrillo Bridge. That's Cabrillo Bridge for all you gringos out there. And after you cross the bridge, the fabulous architecture awaiting you will guide you for the time being.
Such pretty architecture. Look at the detail. All right, Lessers, the age-old question. It's not what came first, the chicken or the egg. It's could you be a cannibal? Think deeply about that one.
After passing a few of the museums, head right and you will find yourself in the Alcazar Gardens. We went in the morning, so what this allowed me to experience was solitude, a nice fresh cool morning breeze, and the charming chirping of birds. It really is a Spanish-style oasis, as Google will describe it. In the plaza, this is sort of the main hub of the park, and here you will find all of the museums. If any of them take any interest to you, you have a whole plethora to choose from. Now, if nature is more of your thing, check out the nearby lily ponds, as well as the botanical building right behind it. From here, I recommend heading even deeper into the park. The fabulous B. Everson Park Garden Fountain is a great place to start. Further past the fountain, you can see some outdoor gardens that are just there, waiting for you to explore them. Just northwest of these outdoor gardens is the Spanish Village of Art. Translated, the Español Villa de Arto. Not Arto.
Here come that boo thing. She beautiful.
I personally really enjoyed the bright, vibrant pastel colors you can see here. The aesthetic is absolutely stunning to me, and we came here in the morning, which gave us the whole place to ourselves, which is always a great thing to experience.
I don't know if you can hear me, it's a little loud, but it's a gorgeous place. You can easily spend a half day, a full day, a couple days, depending on how much you want to see and do here. So make sure you do Balboa Park, do it big, guys, because it is an amazing place to visit.
There is so much to do here, guys. This is only just a small portion. There are plenty of museums, many more than I showed you here. There is a Japanese garden, which I really wanted to go to. And there's the inside of all these buildings, which I just showed you the outside, which was really enticing and gorgeous. But there's the whole inside and all these exhibits that are just waiting to be explored. Besides that, you can venture even further into the park and do some hiking around some different areas with views of the park, different exhibits that you might find yourself in, and views of the mountains on the other side. So it really is a beautiful place. You should definitely come back here again and again. Highly recommend it. Now it's time for your dose of weekly cringe.
Oh.